Hi everyone, and welcome to this Quilling Christmas Snowflakes tutorial. Today, I'm going to show you how to create these delicate and festive snowflakes using simple quilling techniques. They make perfect decorations for your tree, gift tags, or even as handmade gifts for loved ones. So grab your quilling supplies, and let's get started bringing a touch of Christmas magic to your holiday crafts. Take a quilling strip and use your quilling tool to roll it into a tight caul. Once rolled, remove the caul from the tool and let it loosen slightly to your desired size. Add a small dab of glue to secure the end of the strip. Using your fingers or tweezers, pinch opposite sides of the caul to create the eye shape, also called a marquise. Adjust the pinched ends to make the shape symmetrical and refine the curves as needed. Repeat this step and create a total of 6 pieces. Take a quilling strip and use your quilling tool to roll it into a tight caul. Using your fingers or tweezers, pinch one side of the caul to create the point of the teardrop shape. Leave the other side rounded to complete the look. Create a total of 12 pieces. Repeat the teardrop shape, but with different color, and create a total of 6 pieces. Apply a small amount of glue to the edges of the eye shapes where they will connect. Press the shapes together gently and hold for a few seconds until the glue sets. Add a small dab of glue to the pointed tip of the eye shape where you want to attach the teardrop. Avoid using too much glue to prevent smudging or uneven drying. Allow the glue pieces to dry fully before moving your quilling snowflakes. Thank you for following along with this quilling tutorial. I hope you enjoyed learning how to create and assemble these beautiful designs. Don't forget to experiment with your own creative twists and share your creations in the comments. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, subscribe for more crafting inspiration, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching and happy quilling. God bless you.